4-H Electric Congress actually started in 1947. That first Congress was actually called the Better Methods Congress. 44 counties to start with, and then shortly thereafter, all 100 counties participated with Duke Energy, Nantahala, CP&L, and VEPCO all participating. That project had evolved out of the Bio and Ag Engineering Department following all the accomplishments of the rural electrification program of the 1930s. So through the cooperation of the engineers of the power companies and the public service representatives and the Bio Ag Engineering Department at NC State and A&T State and the work of the 4-H Youth Development Program here in North Carolina, curriculum is prepared. That curriculum is then used in schools all over North Carolina, in local 4-H club meetings, in project clubs, that sort of thing. So that local effort is really the essence of it that really reaches so many young people.
And we tried to teach basic electricity in a manner that was hands-on, where you had actually 4-Hers going out and doing it. It might even be wiring a house. Some would go that far.
The original genesis was all about the safe and efficient and wise use of electrical energy. So in the 40s and 50s, it was helping people understand how they could utilize electrical energy to improve their life. To improve their farm operation, to improve their business.
It teaches young people to understand how electricity is made, how we manage it in order to be able to turn the lights on every day, or in some cases how generators work and how we would use generators should the grid go down, or different systems from a systems approach standpoint. These energy companies have really made it possible for these young people to learn and to grow in this area.
It's very difficult to quantify, but the actual face-to-face interaction with, for example, with Duke Energy employees with the 4-Hers is very positive, and it has a very profound output on these youth attending this program.
There's always been something going on in the energy industry that have made our involvement with 4-H very important. Not to mention the STEM aspects of that, which the company is very supportive of STEM education, and certainly that's a key piece of what goes on through the 4-H Electric program.
Anybody who's ever been with 4-H long knows that 4-H is a family, and that those family members will be real quick to pull you back and say, wait a minute, you don't need to go in that direction. And that's one of the beautiful things about 4-H, and 4-H Electric is a part of it.
And we're teaching young people how to grow up and be contributing members of society. And I can't think of a better way, really, for a Duke Energy employee than to get involved in the 4-H Electric program.
To let the kids know about the career opportunities is very important, because if you're a kid who is, your whole family is agriculturally minded, and you think that's the only option for you, and then you get to go to Electric Congress and you find a passion for working in maybe electrical engineering, and then there's the people there to talk to you about, well, here's your career options and here's the majors that you could go into, and it doesn't have to just be agriculture, or you can tie it into agriculture. Just to open the doors for kids who might think there's only one pathway or one option for them.